Welcome to Tech One Wizard, where we help you simplify software and scale smarter. In today's video, we're comparing two of the most talked about CRM platforms in 2025, GoHighLevel and HubSpot. They both promise to help you grow your business, automate marketing, and manage customer relationships, but they're designed for very different types of users. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your business best. Choosing the right CRM is more than a technical decision. It affects how you follow up with leads, manage clients, and scale operations. Whether you're a solopreneur, a fast-growing agency, or part of a corporate team, your CRM can either accelerate your growth or hold you back. Let's break them down. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform built specifically for marketing agencies and service-based businesses. With GoHighLevel, you get a CRM funnel builder, email and SNS marketing, funnel builder, booking calendars, pipeline tracking, automation workflows, and more, all under one login. What makes GoHighLevel different is its ability to replace 6 to 10 tools. You don't need ClickFunnels, Calendly, MailChimp, or even Zapier anymore. It's all integrated. And for agencies, you can white label it, rebrand it, and resell it as your own SaaS. HubSpot is one of the most trusted names in the CRM world. It's known for its powerful marketing tools, in-depth reporting, and seamless integrations with tools like Salesforce, Shopify, Slack, and more. It's used by startups and Fortune 500 companies alike. With HubSpot, you get advanced contact and deal management, marketing automation, detailed sales reporting, smart email workflows, CMS tools and blogging features. It's clean, reliable, and built for companies that need data, structure, and long-term scale. GoHighLevel uses a flat monthly pricing model, starting at around $97 for individuals and $297 for unlimited agency use. All features are included, and you can manage multiple accounts under one dashboard. HubSpot starts free, which sounds great, but as soon as you need marketing automation or multiple users, prices climb fast, often into the hundreds or even thousands per month. So if you're budget conscious, GoHighLevel gives you more value per dollar. HubSpot has the more advanced CRM, no question. It offers deeper contact insights, custom reports, lead scoring, and multi-team collaboration. GoHighLevel CRM is simpler, but it's laser-focused on lead generation, pipeline movement, and automation, perfect for sales-driven businesses. Both platforms have workflow builders. GoHighLevel allows SMS, email, voicemail, and internal triggers based on lead behavior. It's built for follow-up. HubSpot's workflows are more about lead nurturing and cross-channel campaign management, especially in multi-stage B2B funnels. So it depends. Are you closing local leads or managing enterprise deals? GoHighLevel includes full funnel building tools with drag-and-drop editing for landing pages, opt-ins, and entire websites. It's perfect for quick launches. HubSpot offers landing pages, but its website and funnel capabilities are more limited unless you're using the full CMS package. So, which one is better? If you're a coach, agency, real estate professional, or small service-based business, and you want to consolidate tools and automate your lead flow, GoHighLevel is the smarter choice. But if you're running a larger team, managing long sales cycles, and need a robust CRM with powerful reporting and integrations, HubSpot is your best bet. Want to try GoHighLevel? Click the link below for a free trial and get access to bonus funnel templates and workflows to launch fast. Prefer to explore HubSpot's CRM tools? You can start free today using our affiliate link below. Let us know in the comments what kind of business you run. We'll help recommend the right platform for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more no-fluff software breakdowns from Tech One Wizard.